video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2 from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 9 in the range of 2, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here, along with every number character, there is a space character. We can divide this pattern into two parts. Let's type code to execute this pattern. We are going to use a variable I with 0 while loop while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition false and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop here. Declare and initialize a variable j with 0. Nested while j minus 1 less than I into 2. At the end of nested while loop iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j minus 1 is going to give us minus 1 less than 0. For the first iteration, the condition is true. Similarly, for the next iteration, 0 less than 0, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. Then I value will become 2 minus 1 less than 2, condition true. 0 less than 2, condition true. 1 less than 2, condition true. 2 less than 2, condition false. Iteration is going to stop here. Similarly, this nested while loop is going to get iterated for the remaining values of I, 2, 3 and 4. Let's print the result. At the beginning of every line, there are space characters. We are going to combine two spaces here. Two spaces multiply by 4 minus I, which is going to give us 8, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1 space. Those space characters are appended with the number character in the same line. To print the number in the same line, we are going to use while parameter without any value, while is equal to empty string. Let's print the first half of the pattern, j plus I plus 1. Separate the numbers, the space character. After printing the result, we need a enter to print the next line. We are going to use this empty print method. Run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the first half of the pattern. Let's print the second half. If j is greater than length of the if j is greater than half of the length of the line is 1. 1 divided by 2, then 3 divided by 2, then 5 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2, and 9 divided by 2, which is going to give us I. Then print the second half j and separate them with the space character, else print the first half, print the result in the terminal, run pytriangle.py file. We can see we are able to print the required number triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.